Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your digital money with Payoneer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your digital money with Payoneer, start by creating a secure account. Visit the Payoneer website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email, and password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, complete your profile with required details like your address and bank information. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Go to your account settings and find the security options. Select the two-factor authentication feature and follow the prompts to set it up. You can use an authenticator app or receive codes via SMS for this feature. Review your account activity regularly to spot any unauthorized transactions. Set up withdrawal limits to control how much money can be taken out from your account at once. Familiarize yourself with Payoneer's fraud detection tools available in your account. Keep your personal devices secure with up-to-date antivirus software. Avoid accessing your Payoneer account on public Wi-Fi networks. If you receive any suspicious emails claiming to be from Payoneer, do not click on any links. Report any unusual activity immediately to Payoneer's customer support. Regularly update your password and ensure it's unique to increase security. By following these steps, you can protect your digital money effectively using Payoneer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.